Okay, YouTube. This is a message about anybody who's just starting to use their 4x4. I've been using a 4x4 for a lot longer than I probably should admit at this point, but something like a center differential lock or locking your center transfer case would have been something when I first started that I would have been scared about. I probably would have hesitated to use it. I'd want to be somewhere super extreme and aggressive. But as I get older, in any car or truck that I have that has a center differential lock, if it's an all-wheel drive and you can lock the center diff, it's just much better. You're saving your transfer case. There's less chance of a tire spinning and then catching on something firm and all that power collecting and transferring into the center transfer case, and you can explode your center diff basically. Or you're going to get into a point where you might start spinning out because you don't have an equal amount of grip to at least one front wheel and one rear wheel. I'd say use it more than you think. It's definitely, you have that option. This Discovery 2, it's an '01, but it has the center differential lock add-on, which is connected to the original transfer case that had a spigot that you put an aftermarket lever on. It's so easy to use. You don't even have to be in neutral or stop. You could be going under 80 kilometers an hour. You want to lock the center diff, you just put it over, and now you have a locked center diff. You got a front wheel and a rear wheel that are moving at the same time. So much more stable, less likelihood of spinning, especially on, roads with chundery snow or, gravel roads. You can still go fast. You're just going to have a little more stability. Your drive is going to feel a little more tight. Play around with it. I'd say it's something that I didn't know as a younger driver that now, I'm definitely more comfortable using it.